All right, everyone, let's dive into some interesting new data that just came out about Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Get this. Ever since Ethereum first hit the scene back in mid-2015, it's actually only managed to perform better than Bitcoin on about 15% of all trading days. I'm Mr. H, your crypto buddy. Welcome to your channel. Please, if you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button to help the channel grow. Yeah, you heard that right. Basically, that means for a whopping 85% of the time, Bitcoin has been the stronger performer compared to ETH. Now, don't get me wrong, ETH had some awesome growth in its early years, right? But if you look at the last 5 years, Bitcoin has pretty consistently come out on top. Check this out. Apparently, on April 9th, 2025, the ETH-BTC ratio supposedly hit 0.018. That's the lowest it's been in 5 years. The last time it dropped below that level was way back in December 2019. Remember that? Back when ETH was around $125 and Bitcoin was chilling in the $7,000 range. And here's the kicker, and honestly, it's a bit concerning. Ethereum seems to have given back all the gains it made over the past 7 years. With another 10% drop just in the last 24 hours, it's now sitting below $1,450. That's actually lower than its peak price back in 2018. So, looking at the market data, ETH apparently hit $1,400 at the start of trading on that April 9th date. Now, Bitcoin also took a hit around the same time, dropping about 6% to go under $75,000. But, and this is a big but, Bitcoin is still sitting a massive 275% higher than its own peak price from the bull run 7 years ago. Big difference there. With all this going on, a lot of Ethereum supporters are understandably getting worried that the network's growth might be hitting a wall. Even when Bitcoin blasted off to its new all-time high earlier this year, ETH didn't seem to pull in a huge wave of new users. Some analysts are throwing out the idea that maybe a lot of the new active addresses aren't hitting the main Ethereum network directly, but are instead going to the Layer 2 networks built on top of it. You know, those Layer 2s have seen some crazy growth in their total value locked, or TVL, recently. And to wrap it up, some technical analysts are looking at chart patterns, things like fractals they saw back in 2018 and 2022, and they're thinking ETH might be heading into oversold territory soon. Their predictions? We could potentially see ETH drop down to around the $1,000 mark. So yeah, pretty interesting stats comparing the two giants right now. What do you guys think about all this?